What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, beasts of all ages, ages and sizes, returning to the main man himself, the Russian Badger, and his pure epic awesomeness juice in the forms of destroy tax. Just destroy taxes. I don't want them. They make me say ouchie to my soul hole. Destroy all taxpayer dollars. Insurgency, Sandstorm. Destroy all of the taxpayers' dollars. Link in the description to the one and only main man himself, the Russian Badger. In Mother Russia, Badger rush you. Link in the description. Let's get him down to red. Got him.
And you did 50. Welcome to Insurgency Sandstorm, an American dating simulator that offers cutting-edge romance mechanics such as post-traumatic swag disorder and 50 caliber-based dialogue.
Shit!
Like most dating sims, it's all about communication and joint surveillance target attack radar systems.
You what now?
One wrong word can bring an intimate relationship to an end.
You're in the village. What village? I don't know. Just blow them all up. I don't care.
Which village? Oh my god, no.
If limited taxpayer dollars is your only constraint, you'll need to export as much freedom as possible to places that definitely never asked for.
Hospitals. Like another 25 kill streaks in
countries you can't even pronounce is the name of the game. The more aggressive that introduction, the better.
It's nice to meet you, but it's even better to meet me.
I would say it's all sunshine and rainbows because combat contains horrors beyond the comprehension of mortal man. Is this a taunt?
What the hell?
Yes. If you've ever been curious as to where your tax dollars reach their final destination, I'd love to have you along for the ride.
Sign up now. Join. Get your sign-on bonus 10 to 15.
Dear God, no.
Oh my God, Styled On! Go! Styled On!
Styled On!
Our comm in-game is so bad. Nightmare! Gets blown
Oh
up by an
my
RPG.
God.
Yo, Ron, you good, Sly?
What in the hell was that?
Oh, right
Insta-dead! What in the hell?
Oh, God.
Oh God! You needed the game! Oh. Wait. I must first adorn the prepper attire. Yeah, motherfucker.
If I were president, I'd drop mechanical dinosaurs into our cities to test
Same.
our readiness against existential threats with only 2 rules. No police, no military. Just to see if the garbage man, the firefighters, the construction workers, and the non-OSHA compliant uncertified forklift operator
What the
could
fuck?
kick the shit out of a T-Rex in an emergency.
Get that motherfucker.
This has nothing to do with Insurgency, it's the design of my new shaker cup. My
Oh!
sponsor GamerSubs, your prayers have been answered because you guys bullied me the last time I released one 2 years ago. 16 ounces?
I remember that.
What is this, a fucking sippy cup? Is this a goddamn shot glass? This is full size, so you can butt chug 24 whole ounces of my energy drink, Guacamole Gamer Fart 9000, before you need to reload. I mean refill. Gamer
Same
Fart is
thing.
the greatest energy drink on this fucking planet. You are smoking crack if you think I'm ever touching Monster again. And Bang, more like Bankruptcy. Gamer
Damn.
Fart is superior with no spike in your blood sugar, no crash, a light 100
Hey.
milligram boost of caffeine,
But
and
that
as
cup,
cheap
though.
as third world country dirt. $36 for 100 servings is 36 cents per scoop. Even if you double scoop like me, it's 72 cents. You can't spare 72 cents a day? Fuck you. Start drinking the future energy
Damn,
drinks
son.
at gamersubs.gg/badger
I don't know, that
and
seems
use
kinda
code
lit.
Badger for 10% off. We
Nice.
got caffeine free. Gamer Fart's around forever, but the shaker cup is super special limited time. And once it's gone, it's gone. So
It's
you
gone.
better be quick. Just like this transition to Insurgency Sandstorm makes me angry.
I see what
because
you
the
did there.
ratio of how incredible it is to how often I hear about it is criminal.
Search.
Oh shit! Okay, well he's dead now.
Balance of dumbass
Hey, hold
lizard
up.
brain arcade shit.
Observer, this is a station. Here's a picture of my nuts. Transmitting now.
Transmitting now.
Airsoft simulator.
What
shit
in the fucking hell?
300 meters. North. Fast.
that I
Dead.
cannot believe I've not heard more about this game. Dog, he's got a fucking. I hope he's on He's got a bipod on his 44 with a red dot and a suppressor. And I want to tell you why I love it with this awful tutorial that is awful. I don't
Oh,
know
let
why
me
I'm
hear it.
calling that. Turn around, dumbass. You're going the wrong fucking way. Boot up the game and pick PvP or PvE.
I might try
They're
this.
both super fun, and the only difference, apart from the bots, is how quickly you want to meet Jesus. Why did you pick
Oh.
PvE instead of PvP?
My main goal is to
Blow up.
And then what?
and then act like I
Don't know nobody. Pack out!
Only found the objective.
Oh shit! Damn, son!
Won this Let's go, Heavenly.
What the fuck was that?
Explodes.
PvP doesn't matter. I'll keep
Damn.
it dummy simple. Pick your game mode, pick your class, pick your loadout, shoot bad guys. If you
Done.
can't follow that, you have brain damage.
I just started my first shift at Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria. My fault.
Oh my god.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Well, you're watching
Man.
this video. You definitely have brain damage. Forget
Yeah, probably.
Push and Domination are based. Everything else is cringe. Push is your classic attackers, defenders fighting over a point, and I think it goes without saying that running at the machine gun is far less fun than firing the machine gun.
God, Jesus. Oh, it's so good.
Again,
I need this game in my life.
Taxpayer dollars to burn that they can turn that defender's machine gun nest into a, let's say, unpleasant place.
Oh, we got bomber drones inbound, boys.
I'm not scared.
No.
Nah, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Oh my god. You probably shouldn't be okay. You might.
Domination is a total 180. If you go from playing push to playing dom, it's gonna feel like you accidentally walked into a base boosted YouTube poop.
Oh god.
Mommy, I told you.
Go there, Bobby. Go there, Bobby.
It's so much better when you cut it off. Because I know he's running into the room with a deagle. Oh, God.
I love it.
My stomach hurts.
Oh my god. Yeah.
I figured it out. He's throwing flashbangs and doing it.
Stop that.
Oh shit.
That was a good one.
Homie got the dog in him with that one.
Got the dog in him. Got that dog in him. Yeah.
The map you find yourself on flavors the experience even more. Doesn't matter what game mode you're playing. If you're playing Summit, it's cringe. Doesn't matter what game mode you're playing. If you're playing Prison, it's base.
It's base.
Especially if you hang around A block. Absolutely cash money every single time. Isn't this
Yo.
what Michelle Obama's from?
Oh my god. This motherfucker goes straight to hell. Oh my god.
No, A block. Isn't Michelle Obama from like a B block or E block, something like that? No, it's O block.
Yeah, she's from O-Block, bro.
There is no meme. Michelle Obama is from O block.
O
Not the
block?
letter block, but you know what I mean. What the fuck are you doing down there?
Blowing shit up over.
It's only getting a little ridiculous.
Gentrify old block.
Classes won't change your experience that much because they're all deadly. Some are just a special kind of deadly. Ouch. Half the 8 classes are either riflemen or spicy riflemen, which are basically
Spicy riflemen.
have an M16A4 and shoot bad guys with bullets.
Boop.
Bang. He may be basic, but that doesn't make him harmless because even the most bare bones rifleman can smoke your entire squad. I can't kill this guy, Chad. I'm out of bounds. I can't.
Okay, now I
I
can.
just came in bounds. That was perfect timing.
Perfect.
Nicely smashed her with Adams.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing.
Demolitions is rifleman with a side of spicy explosives.
Hey yo.
Got that guy. Yeah, somebody. Oh, I got him.
Somebody stop me.
No splash damage. I am a god. I am such a god.
I love it.
Oh, that's a bad guy. Commander is his rifleman with binoculars, but those binoculars can turn everyone on the map to ash. So you may want to pick somebody that doesn't misclick.
So I called an artillery, and I thought I clicked on B, but it turns out I clicked right next to me or something.
Oh fuck.
And, got
You-
cool.
Hey, come
A10
on.
Warthog, it can be the
love
most
it.
gratifying class in the whole game.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yo, there it comes. There it comes. That should get people.
It's gonna get you.
Absolutely. They got lit up.
Delightful.
Yes, I got a kill with it finally.
One-
I got 4 with that run. In case you don't know what the A10 is, it's a flying Gatling gun made by a washing machine company that specializes in turning bad guys into spaghetti and American soldiers into insurance claims.
Oh.
boy, I sure am excited to see my family again.
And you're dead now. Oh, you thought you were gonna see your family again. Oh, okay. Right. You about to learn today, motherfucker.
The gun that the A10 is built around has so much recoil that if it fires for too long, the plane will fall out of the sky. and will
Holy
rapidly lift.
fuck. Yo, that's
But
awesome.
with this incredible power of an A10 or an Apache or heavy artillery, there is tremendous pressure to use it effectively. Because if you don't,
You
your whole
fucking
team
die.
knows.
Kill not confirmed. Cringe activated.
So
Cringe.
it's a delicate balance of calling it in close enough to objectives to maximize casualties, but not so close that those casualties are your own
Friendly
teammates.
fire.
45, baby, 45 caliber. That's all I need.
Oh.
Nice gun
Oh.
run. You almost got me, friendly fire.
Cringe friendly fire.
That's why
Sorry.
the commander slot is so often empty because most players don't want that kind of pressure weighing on their every click.
That's no.
Artillery, by the way, swap to explosive artillery. Get
Oh, that's the wrong place. That's the wrong
Get
place.
inside. Get inside.
Oh,
You misclicked.
fuck.
Please do not stay outside.
You will die.
If you want all the importance but none of the responsibility, play Observer, who is just rifleman with radio. Literally all you do is stand next to the commander to call in his orders.
Done.
It's so simple, it's almost confusing.
What's the button?
You don't. You literally stand next
Literally
to
don't.
okay.
You don't do nothing. You stay your ass next to me.
Good job. You did it. Great. Congratulations.
Great, great. I'm gone.
Advisor
Do nothing
gets to run
more.
bougie exotic shit like the Devore, but I don't really fuck with the fancy pants guns because Breacher, Marksman, and Gunner offer way more dumbass possibilities.
Do tell.
I'm not suppressed.
Oh my
I'm a man.
God.
Somebody stop me. Sandstorm feels like the only game in existence that understands the range of shotguns.
Damn.
And that makes Breacher absolutely god tier. Any class that lets me use the KS-23 is bona fide base.
I got your picture. I'm coming with you.
Your farts are on the same level as a burning hit of tires.
Oh my
God,
god,
dang.
I'm nuts. 4 gauge is absolutely bonkers lunacy nuts. It is a 6 gauge shotgun.
6
what Europeans
gauge.
would call a 4 gauge.
What the hell is even that?
To all my international viewers, the lower the number, the scarier. And a standard 12 gauge is already a colossal
Pretty
caliber.
much. I got one actually.
Upstate New York, and I saw a Tesla with the license plate, I'm him.
Oh God. Oh my God.
That's like a preemptive strike on. Who are you?
I don't know, but
But,
that license plate made me laugh so hard I walked up to his window and put a 12 gauge slug in his chest.
And we're going from that to 10 gauge, to 8 gauge, to 6 gauge.
Oh,
God.
shit.
I feel equally sorry for both your target and your shoulder.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, shut
Ah,
the
my
fuck
shoulder.
up, housekeeping.
Ah.
Got him.
Got him. Red dot
4
him.
gauge indoors. Actually,
Death.
a 4 gauge anywhere. Terrifying.
Badger, what you said to me was not very nice. I don't know what.
Sorry.
Again, the KS-23 is what happened when the Soviets saw an anti-aircraft gun and thought, nah, it should be shoulder fire. That's what it is. You are carrying a 23mm discarded anti-aircraft gun barrel. Any class that lets me shoot that, sign me the fuck
I
up.
swear to God. Sign me the fuck up yesterday.
Ooh, that range is nutty.
I want this.
That range
I'm gonna download
is
this game.
insane.
Give up now. Give
Got
up
him
now.
right in the chest. I cleared it. Got
His
him.
chest cavity's that way now.
Oh, I'm nuts.
4 gauge.
Oh, it's
My
nuts.
God.
So nuts. You guys know I have a habit of using shotguns as sniper rifles and sniper rifles as shotguns.
Whoops.
And the marksman class is no exception. I too use a fucking sniper rifle for CQC. It doesn't matter if it's long range, short
Spider-Man?
range, small map, big map. Every situation I see is a nail, and the M82 I'm holding is a hammer. Hey,
Hell yeah.
stop that.
Oh, shit. Bam.
Oh, why don't you get back outside, buddy? You chose the wrong alleyway, boys.
He dropped a couple notches.
Going down.
Oh my god, like a freight train.
This bitch is not a shotgun, but it works like one.
That time.
Full like range too.
I penetrated the bars and killed that guy.
Badger's
Jesus.
genuinely surprised when his anti-material rifle goes through
Go
material.
through material.
Truly one of the highlights of Insurgency Sandstorm.
Whoa, doggo.
I cannot get enough of this thing. That thunderous crack of a 50 BMG every time
Paka!
makes it feel like you're punching a hole in the universe.
Oh.
Even watching this footage does not do the feeling justice.
God,
Oh, the cover's
Jesus.
not gonna save you, big boy. Here, I'll find the dude on stage. Just give me a second. Oh.
Oh, you thought him flying? If he actually hit somebody, I swear to
Got
God.
him.
God.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Yep, you're right. I got you. If Breacher isn't dumb enough for you, and Marksman isn't dumb enough for you, Gunner has to be dumb enough
Dumb.
for you. Because if you're playing it right, you're grabbing either an MG3 or an M240B.
Yeah.
According to Marine Corps manuals, stands for Bingus, by the way. You
Bingus.
are never getting off the ground, you are never taking off your bipod, and you are never letting go of the trigger.
Hell
That's how you play
yeah.
guns. That feel when MG3.
Ah!
Definitely got a couple there. Got him.
Yeah.
Moving while using an M240 Bingus.
Bingus.
Very dead. Very dead.
Hyper dead.
That's just not gonna happen. Not when I'm ungovernable.
Ungovernable.
Peeking corners as a legless noodle.
I'm even strafing the building that we're going into.
Oh, what in the hell? Oh my God. Yo,
I wanted to die so
what
bad.
in
He
the-
was levitating towards the A10 gun run. Once you pick the class, customization comes next, and you are
Go
only
on.
by supply points.
Oh.
It's time to compromise, because if you want this, you can't have that.
None the
If you want a
top.
fancy ass primary with fancy ass attachments, then you can't have extra ammo and you can't have armor. I'm
Well,
being a
shit.
fucking optometrist right now.
What the
And
fuck
if
is
you want
this?
Extra armor and extra ammo, then you're gonna have to settle for a bare bones primary.
Done.
Weight is
Easily.
Also a thing. Like if you pack on a
What?
ton of gear, your character's sprint and ADS time really sucks, but you catch on in 5 minutes. It's all trade-offs, and you can get crazy creative with it. A favorite of mine is stripping away everything but a deagle, all the way down
Dear
to 9% weight.
God.
You can run around like a moron at the speed of sound, blasting 50
shit.
Action Express.
What a bitch.
How is that possible, Chad?
What
How
in
is
the
that
fuck?
possible? I don't like that a little bit. Oh,
Oh,
Deagles.
wow.
Yes.
The America
double
gun.
Deagle.
Deagle.
Executed. Oh, I'm nuts. Oh my god, I'm cracked. Oh, what?
But then a random deagle happened. Ooh.
Nice to meet you, but it's even nicer to meet me.
Then even nicer to meet me. I like that.
Bad guys in the vicinity?
I can't.
Chico, hold
Shiba
up.
or a clown?
Whoa.
Said if you look like Shigo or a clown.
Hey, even better. Hello, Chico.
I'm just nuts. Just spray around the corner with a deagle. and
Done.
feet. Yet another reason why I love this game. Every weapon is deadly enough that you can get away with some of the dumbest loadouts as long as your tactics are equally dumb. Even the classics are available, like a 32 ACP well rod,
Oh,
which
wow.
is basically a bolt-action pistol. I want the well
Between
rod
the
kill.
teeth.
Give me the well rod kill.
It's the pistol.
God,
It's
the amount of
my
shit you
God.
can put on these classics is definitely sacrilegious, but sometimes you just gotta
Sacrilegious.
slap a Loudner on your Garand and air out the whole prison. The
Wait,
Garand
what?
with a Loudner
Hold on, wait a
is the
minute.
best.
What?
Wait, what?
Garand with a Loudner.
That's not right.
Yo, I got it to white it out.
Compensator, but it looks
I got
like a
it
light.
whited out with tracers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Pop Smoke just killed Clue. I'm so confused. Tell me the name of your god.
Holding you to assume that I have one.
Holding a mushroom's head. Tell me the name of God.
Name of God.
It'd be cooler if God was like a Funko Pop or something.
What?
That is how mad Heavenly was. Heavenly was so mad.
He threw a chair
He put
into
a
the
chair through a plate glass window. Look at this, dog.
Oh,
my
shit.
God,
It's
that
amazing.
Sure. That was the most sacrilegious shit I've ever heard in my life. Holy
Jesus.
My bullets won't even go through that
But a
glass, and
chair
Heavenly
went into
got
that
a chair
shit.
through it.
God as a
Funko Pop. The
That
audacity.
is actually cursed.
I'm one of the cyberpsycho. I can't.
Everything goes in.
Call somebody. Oh.
Jesus.
Oh, double kill with the Garand. baby.
Oh, my eyes. Oh, shit.
Lit up with the Loudner inside the crate. Oh, God.
Loudner.
Look
The
at it,
Loudner.
It's a Loudner. It's not a suppressor. It only makes my shit louder.
Wait, scream like that again. You sound like the FNAF.
Yo, that was like the. We got voice actors in this
You got
call.
FNAF, bitch.
No matter what weapon you choose, I cannot exaggerate how much the developers nailed their weapons. The sound, the reloads, the recoil. Oh my god, the recoil is so crisp. Oh, I popped a booger. I saved your fucking life. I'm so sick of every developer acting like shooting 9mm out of a Glock or 5.56 out of an M16 is
Wait,
an exhilarating
but I mean-
experience with all this smoke and jitter and kick. It's not. At all. If you are holding those weapons correctly, they should barely move in your hands.
True.
And it's certainly not
True.
a jarring experience.
Damn, son.
I'm not gonna start a video essay here. I just want it known that their weapon design is second to none. It's not even
Damn.
about realism either. It's about the touchy-feely satisfaction when you fire any of these weapons that just feels right.
Damn.
RPG for you today, buddy.
Dude,
Sorry.
getting pixel
Hold up.
peaks
This
in
name of this game is encouraging, right? All right. I got you.
This
Hold on.
satisfaction extends to their sound design as a whole. It is so incredibly tight.
Tight.
Firing a Panzerfaust, plowing somebody over with a Toyota, and putting a 50 BMG through an engine block. Their attention to detail with every single sound
Bruh.
is incredible.
Oh my god.
What? Did I just hear someone scream,
This
I love
is-
Ray Liotta?
What
Blow
in
up
the
that thing.
hell?
No, he said this is my Toyota.
Oh.
I point blank that shit with a Panzerfaust.
Your argument is invalid. What up, bitch?
Got his ass eliminated.
I call that my main menu tag.
Goodbye,
Oh, fuck.
Bro, I can't handle a cab in Detroit for shit.
First bullet, Toyota Tacoma be like,
Bam!
Hear nothing. Y'all hear some second bullet, legalize nuclear bombs. Swag Messiah. But the best sound feature in the game has to be proximity voice chat.
Oh, yeah.
Spam in Sandstorm is so loud and so strange it makes a hardcore military simulator feel like a Gmod server.
I got your picture. I'm coming with you, dear Maria.
I got somebody while saying that.
Oh my god.
Walk. That's kind of cringe.
Oh damn.
Did I just hear
What the hell? Kill him. Kill him now. What is the
shit.
Oh my god.
Noises.
Kill him now.
No, back to kill him for all.
Oh my god, my eyes.
That's fucking weird.
Hey,
Bro, this shit make my eyes water for real though.
You're
Frog.
listening to 108.2
The crunch.
Real trap shit.
What the hell?
Wait, what? He
Nani?
has my Tab G voice.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
I just heard swouse.
I remember that video too. Swouse.
Gamers joining CTE like, oh, I don't want to impose. I'm about to impose. I'm about to.
Yeah.
Industrial revolution and its consequences.
We heard those noises.
Are you repairing?
You
Our conversation?
Speaking of the Irish Republican Army, so I was at work the other day, and a bomb.
Yet another reason why I love the game.
I love
because
it.
if you're doing some dumb shit like running around prison with a 50 BMG, they'll catch you on immediately and all switch to 50s.
Oh fuck yeah, bro. It's all baby.
Oh my god,
go
you
back.
fucking lose it. When you are just both missing
Oh my god.
close range with that kind of energy behind each shot. Oh my god. I got that guy.
Nice. Oh fuck.
Out of a hole in the bar.
And got blasted. He blasted me out.
Cry, dude. I'm gonna cry.
Way ahead of you,
shot
bro.
me back.
Into the hole.
That was actual return to sender. Literally 2 stormtroopers you gave to Oh my
Oh,
god.
delicious. In the oh. Ooh. No. Remix.
Oh my
Oh my leg, the kneecaps. Pa.
Friendly.
Too late. You ain't friendly no more, bitch.
Hey, fucking imagine getting friendly fire with a 50 BMG. Imagine, teammates.
Couldn't be me.
Your Honor, my client, please, oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisy. Yo, I need this game. Oh my
Really trying to
god.
get me with an M4.
You fool.
Piece of shit.
No.
I can understand why Insurgency Sandstorm is the perfect blend of arcade and
I
simulation,
love it.
and why I'm so glad I haven't perished in a pipe bomb explosion so I can still play games like this. Let the record show that your video memes are making rounds in the furry community, and I love it, lol. That's because I don't want the furry community to pipe bomb my mailbox.
Strategic
as an
effort.
ambassador of the furry community.
Give me that shit.
As an ambassador of the furry community, you're on a whitelist. Don't worry.
Oh.
Reminder to buy Guacamole Gamerfart 9000 using code Badger because it's the
That's
greatest
T-Rex.
energy drink in the universe. I see Gamer Subs in your pack. Give me some of that.
No, stay away from me. It's
Too
fine.
late.
Use code Badger for 10% off.
I will fucking kill you if you say that again.
Get flash, bitch.
And if you
Ah,
buy
bye.
Insurgency Sandstorm on the Epic Games Store, please use my creator code, the Russian
the Epic
Badger,
Games
because
Store.
I get a kickback and I always need more money.
Money.
You're not legally allowed to commit crimes while you're listening to Leonard Skinner.
What the hell?
I mean,
I feel really stupid that I'm part of this line that's going to.
Yo,
Oh my
are
God.
you fucking kidding me?
End him.
Leave my lobby.
Leave the lobby. You got the
Guys,
what the hell?
playing like 3/5 of a meme. Like halfway
3/5 of a
through.
meme.
3/5.
3/5. 13.99.
And that's about it, dog. That is all
Oh,
I have to
fucking
say
love it,
about
man.
Insurgency Sandstorm. I did
You
not
are a
realize
fucking
that I
legend.
still had spaghetti sauce on my lips when I started making
My
this video.
God,
It's not mom's
man.
spaghetti, it's my spaghetti. And it's the only thing that I can taste after having a certain sickness that I won't mention because I'll get demonetized for it. I'm healthy
Yeah, that's
now.
an actual
I'm
thing,
over
too.
it, but the only thing that I can taste is like chunks of beef, and it's really fucking weird. Once again, thank you so much for watching my
Amazing.
video, and be sure to tune in next time when I either play Modern Warfare 2 or War Thunder. I haven't decided yet. What if I just
Go for War
fucking
Thunder.
blew your mind and played like Devil May Cry 5 or something?
Do
you
it.
would never
You won't
think
do
I'd
it.
Ever play in a
You
million
won't do
years.
it.
I'm not gonna do that shit, but I could.
Oh, okay, well. Wait. I want to physically jam with him. Hold on. Well, that's gonna do it for this, ladies and gentlemen. The Russian Badger once again proving that video games that aren't really talked about are actually freak-fracking, motherfudge-caking lit. Not gonna lie, kinda wanna check it out. And it's on the Epic Game Store, you say. Go on! Link in the description to the main man himself. But if you enjoyed this video with your boy, take the beast mode claws of awesomeness. Just go ahead and slash that like video. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and base of a legend safe society. Love, peace, and above all, stay beast mode for the epic win of all the win skis or the pin skis, mate.